Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add Presto card to Google Wallet. Adding your Presto card to Google Wallet is now simple and convenient. First, make sure you have the Presto app installed or updated on your Android device. Then log into your account, select the physical Presto card you want to convert, and tap Convert to Google Wallet. Hold the card against your phone's NFC area until the process completes, then tap Add to Google Wallet. Your digital card is now active, and the physical card will automatically deactivate. If you don't have a Presto card yet, tap Buy a new card in the app or Presto and Google Wallet, load funds or select a pass, give it a nickname, and tap Add to Google Wallet. Your Presto card will appear instantly, ready for contactless fare payments across TTC, Go Transit, MyWay, and other participating transit system in Greater Toronto and Hamilton area. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.